Hello, crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to participate in LP farming or liquidity pool farming in MGG staking program. Okay, as you can see, LP staking under Ethereum network is 3,382.82%, and for the Binance Smart Chain network, liquidity provider staking percentage or the APR is 876.13%. So let's go to my Trust Wallet account. You can use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Okay, I'm now here in my Trust Wallet account. As you can see, I have 171 BUSD. I will be staking MGG token worth 171 BUSD. So take note, guys, if you want to stake or participate in MGG LP farming, you must have the BUSD if you are going to use Binance Smart Chain. You will decide how much you want to participate in LP farming. I only have BUSD 171, and I will deposit more later. This is just for a tutorial. But if you will participate worth 500 BUSD, you are going to deposit to your Trust Wallet worth 500 BUSD, and the amount of MGG must be equal to 500 USD also. So this time, if I'm going to participate worth 171 BUSD, the total amount of my MGG will be 171 BUSD also. Okay, so let's go to the dApps button, this one. Then we'll go to the website of MGG, MetaGaming.com. Then you will see here the network. It's under ERC or Ethereum network. So I'm going to choose Smart Chain network. So click this button. Click Smart Chain because I will be participating using my BUSD. If you have USDC, you must choose Ethereum network. So but this time I have BUSD, so I'm going to use Smart Chain network. Okay, so click this three lines, this one. Click that launch up, and as you can see, there are two launch up. This one for Ethereum, then the upper one is for BEC. So I'm going to choose this one. Click. You need to connect your wallet. Click this button, connect. Then choose Trust Wallet because I'm using Trust Wallet. You can choose MetaMask if you are using MetaMask wallet. Trust Wallet. Then connect. As you can see, the APR is now 567.9%. And the total token stake is 84,826. So we'll proceed to the tutorial. Okay, click deposit. And as you can see, I already have the token, but the MGG-BUSD LP token is 0. So all we have to do is click get MGG-BUSD LP. So we are now here in PancakeSwap.finance to get the LP for BUSD, MGG-BUSD. I only have 171 BUSD balance, so I will click max. So it means that 171.12 BUSD is worth 1,238.11 MGG token. So click enable, then approve, okay, it's already approved. Enable MGG, then approve. So this time I already have enabled the MGG and BUSD LP for MGG liquidity staking. I will now click supply. Okay, so click supply, confirm supply. So I will confirm the supply, then approve. Okay, transaction is already submitted. Let's go back to the MGG MetaGaming Guild. And Smart Chain. Click these 3 lines, then launch app, choose BSC. Let's connect again. Trust Wallet. Now I'm going to deposit. As you can see, I have 450 MGG and BUSD LP tokens. So I'm done with get MGG BUSD LP. And now we're going to the next step, which is enable farm. Okay, so just to summarize, if you don't have MGG token, you need to click this one, get MGG. But if you have already an MGG token, the next thing you will do is to click get MGG BUSD LP. This time, when you click this one, you need to have a balance of BUSD, the amount that you want to provide for the LP, MGG LP staking program. I'm done with the MGG BUSD LP. I'm going to enable farming of MGG BUSD LP. Okay, so click enable farm. Then approve. Click stake MGG BUSD LP. Okay, click. Then click max. Okay, then deposit. Click approve. Stake. Your MGG BUSD LP tokens have been staked to the pool. Okay, so it's already staked. So you will see your earnings here. MGG earn. Thank you for watching, and bag more MGG token because we are just starting. This is a very big project, guys. Buy more MGG token and participate in LP liquidity program of MGG. Thank you and have a good day.